welcome to Bet on Yourself Media Sports. I am your host, Reggie. The Philadelphia Eagles are done it again, man. I can't believe what Howie is doing out here tonight, man. He moved up, he traded the pick, he moved up to 40 and got Cooper DeJean. The Eagles have just signed Cooper DeJean. I've never seen this happen in my lifetime as being a Philadelphia Eagle fan, and I've been a Philadelphia Eagles fan all my life. To sign two cornerbacks in the same draft was really something extraordinary, man. It's done. We backloaded. That back end is loaded. There's gonna be some jobs that's gonna be on the line this upcoming season, man. There's gonna be some jobs on the line, man, because Cooper DeJean and Quentin Michaels, man. This is really something, man. To have these two guys in our lineup next upcoming season, because Cooper DeJean, I call him Swiss Army Knife. He's a heat-seeking missile. He is a heat-seeking missile, man. I got to give Howie and them a round of applause for that. To pick up these two guys on back-to-back days is sweet. Now, I'm watching the draft as I speak to y'all, which is a brief commentary. Not going to be long. They did make a draft tonight. I think it was 94th pick, and the Eagles picked up Zayax Hunt. He's a defensive guy, and hey, why not add more to the foe? We are surely, absolutely having a field day in Philly with the drafts, and I'm so proud of Howie for being the man he is and going out, doing this homework, digesting this here whole situation, manipulating and calculating and doing his figures as my big friend over there, Philly 500 say, he's doing his thing, man. I'm not going to keep y'all long, man. Cooper DeJean is now the Philadelphia Eagle. Like it says here, the hashtag Eagles have moved up to 40 and have drafted Iowa's corner, Cooper DeJean. Man. And on top of that, we have the assassin on the other side, Quentin Michaels. Man, this has got to be something special, man. You gotta love this, man. As a Philadelphia Eagle fan, you gotta love the two picks that we selected in the past 2 days, man. Until next time, if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, hit that subscription button, and hit that thumbs up. I need those likes, man. Hit them like buttons and tell a friend to tell a friend about Bet on Yourself Media Sports. You know what I mean? You know what we say around here? Yep. Be good. Be safe. God bless. Keep the main thing, and have an attitude of gratitude. Until we meet again, peace. Subscribe, like, and comment. Truly appreciate it. I'm gone, y'all. Toodaloo.